Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to switch back a creator account to personal account on Instagram. For example, if you have recently created a creator account on Instagram, now if you want to go switch back to your personal account, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. In settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and in Instagram you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply open the Instagram app, and here you will find the option of profile section, and you can simply click on three lines here. In three lines you will find the option of settings and activity here. So here you can simply find the option of types, account type and tools. So you have to scroll it down until you find it. So here you can simply find account types and tools. So here, if your account is showing creator or professional account, then you have to simply click on switch to account. So if it is creator or professional account, then it will be shown as a switch to personal account. So as you click on that, your account will be converted again to personal account on Instagram. So in this way you can simply switch your professional or creator account to personal account again on your Instagram app. So hope you have liked this video. You can get more videos like this. You can subscribe our channel.